Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj. There are phases in everyone's life, and every single day is an opportunity for us to really choose how we want to feel. A person can have the highs and the lows of life. Some days she is a warrior. Some other days she is a mess. A literal mess. Most days, she is a bit of both. But every day, she shows her strength. She speaks up for herself. She aligns with her inner self. She allows chaos and the mess to become a message that she wants to share with the world. Choose your chaos and let it allow you to define your charisma. Choose your mess and allow it to give you a purpose in life, a message that you would love to share with the world. A degree can be a certificate to your professional excellence, but your own inner self, your experiences, the way you feel, the way you have perceived the world, the way you have learned through your tough times, your hard times. Maybe it's so common for someone else, but it wasn't for you. And that's what makes a difference between you and them. If you are different, embrace your difference. Don't hide, because hiding will literally let you go nowhere in life. Make sure that you remember this particular thing, that once you choose to hide, you are going to hide for the rest of your life. Now, if you have that long a patience within you to always live a lie, hats off to you. Hats off to you. But then, I don't think that's possible for everyone. So this message of mine is for those, only for those who choose to accept the pain of acknowledging the real self, then the pain of regret, then the pain of hiding out in their lives, then the pain of they wanted something to do with their life but they didn't. They didn't. Why? Because they dare themselves to hide out. They did not dare themselves to spoke up when they were meant to be. Life is full of choices. Life is full of choices, my friends. Now, what you choose is going to define how your life is going to be. But what you choose now is either going to make you a success or a failure, either way, or it's going to make you a person who is full of regrets. So do you choose regret? Or do you choose your own inner true self? Because trust me, choosing your true self, choosing that journey of going within and acknowledging yourself, it's a very difficult task for you to deal with at the present moment. But the path, the journey of moving on with your life, hiding out, and allowing yourself to feel that regret now and later, it's even more tougher. It's even more tougher, my friend. It's even more tougher. It's not easy. Trust me. So it's up to you to decide what you want to choose. But whatever you choose, make sure it's you choosing it, no one else. Be a warrior. Be a broken miss. Both are fine, as long as you are stronger, you are committed, you are consistent. To what? To your growth. To your growth. Because that is non-negotiable. We human beings have got this life for a reason. And to understand that reason, that purpose of our life, we first have to find out the reason why we are alive, who we are. Are we in sync with our true self? And when you do that, when you acknowledge the real you, when you are in sync with yourself, that's the moment. That's the moment you start healing from within. It's not easy. Healing can never be easy because you have already hurt yourself day in, day out by what people says about you, by what people thinks about you, by how you talk to yourself, how you feel about yourself after listening to all the mess that's around you. But healing is necessary because unless and until you are healed from within, you cannot take that next step towards healing the world. For you to heal the world, for you to help people, you have to help yourself first. Heal. Choose healing. Choose yourself. Do not choose regret. Do not choose regret. So with this, I'll sign off for now. Stay tuned for my next episode. Listen to all the previous episodes that I've shared so far with you all. Connect with me. If you have any questions, I always encourage you to directly connect with me and I will be more than happy to help you. And don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and to share my podcast among your network. Stay self-loved, stay blessed, stay happy. With this, bye-bye.